Iceland, the land of extraordinary landscapes and fascinating history. A land of contrasts, where the fiery temperament of the earth meets the icy expanses of glaciers. Welcome to the heart of the North, where nature governs itself by its own rules. Here in the land of Icelandic waterfalls, we feel the mighty force of water, dancing in harmony with rocky cliffs. This is a place where the forces of nature create spectacular images that are hard to believe are real. Beneath the surface of the earth lies even more mysteries. Icelandic caves and volcanic rock formations serve as remote laboratories of nature, where time has stopped in an endless dance of fossils and history. Iceland captivates with its wild terrain, where the rugged landscapes speak volumes about the island's raw beauty and untamed spirit. This is home to unique species of flora and fauna that have adapted to the harsh Arctic conditions. The black sand beaches, with their beauty, stand in stark contrast to the surrounding rugged terrain. These beaches, formed from volcanic ash, offer a glimpse into Iceland's geological past and add to the island's mystique. Iceland is a land that leaves a mark in the hearts of those who visit. Every step brings us closer to its mysteries and beauty. Welcome to Iceland,